Hello to everyone, nongeye kubasuhuza mbaha ikaze hano kuri YouTube channel yanjye where we revise computer science and technical skills. So now muri aka kanya hari video yanjye ibanza nakoze ngaragaza cyangwa se nerekana uburyo ki icyo OOP icyari cyo syntax yo kudefininga hanyuma dutangaho n'urugero. So now today let us go through this exercise. Reka turebe nkuru urugero hano. You see, urabona hano baduha urugero but construct a class named rectangle that has floating point data members named length and width. The class should have a member method named parameter and area to calculate the parameter and area of rectangle. Member method named get data to set rectangles length and width, and the member method named show data to display a rectangles length, width, parameter and area. The parameter and area are given by the following. Hano tugenekereje nuvuga ngo ukora class yitwa rectangle ifite izi data member uko ari ebyiri width ariko z'ubwoko bwa float width. The class should have a member method named the parameter. Class has a method ebyiri parameter and area yo to calculate area and parameter birumvikana. Member method get data iradufasha kwinjizamo rectangles length and width, hanyuma method yitwa show data ira displayinga parameter and area. Ahanga ndakeka byumvikana. So now the parameter and area are given by the following formula bana dukopeje baduha formula. So now ahangaha ukimumva ibintu bya class utawumva OOP immediately. So now tudatinze turaza kugenda tugaruka ku kibazo cyacu gakeya. Dufungure dev as text editor yacu. Okay, file, new, then project, console application, dukore save, replacing yari isanzwemo. Okay, so now you see like this. Kanze nongere urumuri se nk'urugaragara cyane. Okay, so now aha nk'ibisanzwe turavuga using namespace ctd. So then turaza gushyiramo class batubwiye ko tudekarara class turaza kuyita rectangle dufungure then open this one. So now member data members turi buze kugira dukoreshemo comment ku buryo nawe biza kuba byumvikana. Data members turagira private. The private hano tugire float length and width like this. So now from here tugiye no kudekarara front variables ziradufasha mu gustoringa value iri calculated, hanyuma tuyite age, hano tuyite length byo singombwa kuzidekarara. Then after hano batubwiye ko turashiramo method yose cyangwa se function yose ijya muri public access modifiers. Hano batubwiye, let me go back here, batubwiye members and length width class should have parameter and area. This one batubwiye method yitwa get data here. So get data, let me say void get data. Iyi batubwiye ko ariyo kwinjizamo, afungura cout itazi enter value of length and width. So the statement here will be instructing a user or someone who can use these codes to enter value. This is a message which is displayed from any memory to screen. Here you see, let us use the scene function to enter this one. Scene length and width here, like this one. You see. So now they have told us also we need to add another method known as void parameter to calculate what? To calculate void parameter to calculate. We have said P, let me say 2, and then star, parentheses, length, plus width. So this is the formula they have shown us, and then banatubwiye yuko turadekarara indi method yitwa area. So what I'm doing here is this one, a method known as where is the area. Area is this one. Yes, see. So let me copy this one. Then let me paste it. Yes, see. And now I have to change here into area, and then I have to remove this one. Star, yes, say star, and then like this. So now here I have to change this variable like this one. You see. So now let me call this one the method definition, the function declaration. Especially this function are the members function. A member function here. So now from here, declaration and the declaration here, no, and definition. Here you see. Okay, so now from here, I have to close this class. So this is the end of class. So now within main function, the program will start to be executed here within the main function. Hangaha, icyo ngiye gukora ni ikihe? Ngiye create the object of class. Here you see. And now here, class is known as rectangle. Remember, class is user-defined data type followed by R. Let me use these objects R. Here you see. So now, from here, if I say R dot to access, to call this function by using, I can call this function by using the object of class. The object of class is R, and then I'm going to call this function get data. Here you see. Now I have also R dot parameter, then comma, and then now R dot area, R dot area, like this one. So now, but before we compile to this one, we are missing another important method which will be used to display, which is known as show data, to display here. So now it's time to go back here and now say void show data, and now open this one, then cout, let us output interlead length is, and now length. So now and width value is, and then width here, like this one, end line. So now let me display also the parameter is. So now here we say p, iriya ni variable iri buze gustoring iki, and area is. So now a. Okay, so now turasavinga. Hanyuma the reason why we use this a, urabona ko p niyo twifashishe turi gucalculatinga iyi parameter hano, irafata length plus width times 2, and then area ni variable iri gustoringa calculated value from this one, length and width. So now iyi method niyo ku displaying, ariyo mpamvu kubona hano twanditse de hano dufite a, hano tukagira p is parameter, then a is area. So now to run this one, I have to call this method also. So to call this method parameters is just impamvu yi function call ya r.getData no kugira ngo dukore iyi method kugira ngo ikora akazi yagenewe. Hanyuma iyi parameter niyo kugira ngo calculating iyi value, ariko irayicalculating igumishe muri memory, ntagira ya outputting, ahubwo tura outputting dukoresha show data. So now let me learn to see this one. I have first to compile, ni haba harimo ikosa riraza kugaragara. So now you see the mistake is there. So the mistake I have typed D in the bad way, length and this one. You see there is a problem here. So this is not a big problem. Let me say this one, and now I have to compile it. So this is the only mistake in our codes. You see, there is no problem now. So now, let me learn to see if this one can work. They will tell me, you see, enter value of length and width. So this is being done by this method called here. Urabona iyi method hano r.getData, which is being called. Niyo yingiyi. And now, let me type 5, and then 7.8. And now, you see, this one is not giving us this one. Impamvu hano urabona ko nta output hano tubashije kubona. Why? You can ask why there is no output. Nukora ki method ya show data tutayikorinze like the other method. So let me do this one. r.showData. So now then come and then save. So I have to compile. Kucompilinga no kugira ngo iyi code tucompile no kugira ngo izi code tuba twanditse zibashe kumvwa, zibashe kuba translated muri binary cyangwa se zibe interpreted. And then you see, let me say 6.7, then 5, and then you see, urabona ko bya bintu byose biraza guhita biba displayed. Interlead length is 6.7 and width value is 5. You see, parameter is 33.4 and area is 33.5. So guys, ni ukunguku ushobora kuba wakoresha the objects, n'uko OP ushobora kuba wakora aka kabazo kacu ka exercise, aka kabazo kacu ka exercise twadiringaga nako ariko kaka ngaka kuri screen. So guys, aka kantu karamutse kagufashije wagahereza abandi bantu biga computer science cyangwa se n'abayigisha, ubona ko ari interested agasharinga, there is no problem. So guys, have a nice time. and tuzahura next. My next video will be talking about how to create array of objects within class. So thanks.